In this video, I'll show you how to blur text in CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your CapCut. So let's say if there is a part of your video that you love to blur out, let's say your personal informations or some necessary infos that you need to blur out for some reasons. In this video, I'll show you I can be able to blur out that section. So let's say, okay, this is one of my video here, and let's say I want to blur out this white section of this video. So I'm going to just click on it. I'm going to click on split. So I'm going to scroll and go to the part I would love to blur this, like where I would love it to end. So let me say here. Okay, I'll click on this. So what you need to do now, once you have splitted the parts you love to blur, just go back. You're going to be able to see effects. Click on effects. So click on video effects. So come on here and search for blur. So like I want to blur out a particular part of a video that contains some text you love to blur out. So I'm going to come on here and search for text. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is it. Blur. So I'm going to wait for it to open. So I'm going to be using this option.
I think like it's going to be like this. So
you can see
it's not going to be showing.
So I'm going to just do this. So I'm going to come on. I'm going to adjust it till this very end of where I ended the cut basically. So let me say till here. Yeah, so I'm gonna come in and play it.
So if you log in your mobile, I think like it's gonna be like this. So it's not gonna be showing again. So you can come on here and type.
So like I was able to blur out this
to show you that this is really
of this video that contains some text I would love to blur. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the very next video.